Hi, I am Sri from CBTU. CBTU presents a course on data science. Section Introduction. Data science is not rocket science. Data, we have it from various sources. Lot of hype is being created on data science. Data is everywhere. We have enormous amount of data from various sources. Data science is nothing but analyze that data using various tools and techniques to explore hidden patterns and potential insights. These insights will be useful in making strategic decisions in businesses. Agenda for this session. Let us know more about what is data science, how it is success job of 21st century, university programs, and relation between statistics and data science, and know about evolution of data science. Data science appears to be complex, but it is simple in itself. As this is multidisciplinary field covering wide range of topics that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. This appears complex because it is being discussed in various disciplines. But when you focus on a single discipline, it will be filtered down to minimum data set and the specific tools to define the problem and get the solution. Associated terms for data science is data mining and big data. The data to be analyzed may be few gigabytes to petabytes and terabytes. The data may be available at a single location or spread across different geos. Based on the problem definitions, we need to have right hardware, right programming language, and the most efficient algorithm to solve the problems. This is always there. Yes, it is there for ages. Now we are making buzz of it. Now we have the most economical and feasible cloud infrastructure solutions. As awareness is being spread on data science, more and more organizations are adopting data science as they are curious to know what is in store for them and how it can change the business and fuel the growth. Data is the most valuable asset of an organization. Over a period of time, business houses generate a lot of data. They all will have a great story to tell you, great insights to help you fuel your business. Define the right problem statement. The insights can be explored using right analytical skills. The scope of data science is wide as it combines business analytics, business intelligence, predictive modeling, and statistics, and much more. A data scientist need to have programming skills, knowledge of statistics, and data analysis tools. Okay, now we are having another word, machine learning, that is already widely spread. Another definition of data science is a concept to unify statistics, data analysis, machine learning, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with the data. So data science embodies many components, and data science is anything and everything you talk about a business. It's impossible to have a single definition of data science, and also it involves mathematics, computer science, and information science. And we have another definition by ASA. It includes database management, statistics and machine learning, and distributed and parallel systems. Jim Gray defines data science as fourth paradigm of science. And he asserts that everything about science is changing because of the impact of information technology and the data deluge. Huge amount of data. Data science is there for long, but it's first introduced by Peter Naur in 1960, and he used the term datology, and he used data science term in his publishings. And that is how everybody is attracted to the data science field. And from then on, data science got attention from everyone. In 2012, Harvard Business Review HBR added glamour quotient to the data science, calling it as the sexiest job of the 21st century. In a BBC documentary, Hans Rosling said, statistics is now the sexiest subject around. Nat Silver added another angle for data science, calling it as sexed up term for statistics. He developed various approaches and solutions, rebranding them to be more attractive. IEEE is a professional association for electrical and electronic engineering. It has got over 400,000 members all over the world. In 2013, IEEE Task Force on Data Science and Advanced Analytics was launched. And the next step, Data Science Society is formed, catching everybody's attention. In the education and training, many universities have started the programs on data science, offering certificate, graduate, and postgraduate programs. It has got the varied curriculum including business analytics, big data, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. One thing to remember, business problems are unique. General solutions may not fit everyone. After acquiring basic knowledge and exposure to the various tools, it's a continuous application of mind, concepts, goals, technology, and the right tools. Backbone of data science is nothing but statistics. The data science uses statistical methods and analysis techniques to arrive at the insights. Once a statistician post was not that glamorous, but a data scientist's job is all that glamorous because it embodies various techniques, tools, and concepts to drive the business. Okay, we had enough discussion on the data science. Now, if you want to get into data science, you need to get equipped with skills in data science. Some of the required skills are curiosity and passion for analytics, domain knowledge and bit of statistics, knowledge of machine learning and big data, programming languages like Python or and SQL database, and above all, research attitude, ability to see the odd man out. That is most important to give you desired success. Data scientist job is all glamorous. A good decision can lift the company and simultaneously a bad decision can impact the company future. One thing to remember is the data is huge and one who is working on the data need to make some assumptions and you should make the right assumptions to spot the trends, making forecasts and making decisions. IBM is the most leading data science organization. It predicts the demand for data scientists will grow by 28% by 2020 and the number of job requirement will grow from 400,000 to 3 million approximately in a year. And all this comes with the attractive salary tags. The average salary of a data scientist is around $110,000. Here is the article in Forbes about IBM prediction on data science. Explore this. This is more interesting. You can check in Glassdoor about the salaries for various skill set. Explore Glassdoor.com website. All businesses are becoming data centric. That is where data science finds application. A business house running its business is generating a lot of data. With the huge data that is being generated while running a business, the data science activity should not be ignored. An organization should employ data scientists to explore the data and help management to make better informed decisions. The data science gives all the benefits if it's implemented in the right way. In the coming sessions, we'll be discussing about the data science lifecycle, data science tools, and exploring popular tools and other data science technologies like deep learning, artificial neural networks, and others. The good thing about the data science is you can begin anywhere. You might be already doing data science using Microsoft Excel, exploring the data, analyzing the data, and gaining skills about the data science is going to the next level of analysis. The course covers the familiarization with data science tools, and a demo on popular tools, taking some examples. If you are interested in exploring the tools section, you can skip some of the sessions and you can come back anytime to go through other sessions. As I said, you can begin data science anywhere in the loop. This is an exhaustive introduction about the data science. We'll cover more concepts and tools in the coming sessions. Thanks for watching.